guys, welcome to my Singapore vlog part 1. I'm here at Lavender Street walking on the sidewalk and I have imported the trend of today that you will see on my third part of my vlog here in Singapore. Here's my bedroom for 2 nights here in Singapore.
So I can buy all that I want, but I've got all the smiles that I need. They say get famous, so everyone will know me, but that sounds like a movie I don't wanna see. They say get smart, so I can solve any problem, as if they'll all go away. They say go hard, but I'm a softie deep inside, and I don't feel like hiding anymore. They say be nice, but I'd rather be kind and be there for those who are in need. They say you gotta think twice. Maybe we should think a little more about how we treat the world that we call home. They say settle down, but I ain't one for settling, so I'll just keep on chasing my dreams. They say grow up.
Another country inside Singapore? Maybe this is what I'm looking for. Let's go! Little India in Singapore was originally a European district used for cattle trading, but it has since become a center of Indian culture and commerce. In the early history, the area was originally known as Serangoon, named after one of the first roads in Singapore. The Indian community has been settling in the area in the 1820s. Finally, we're here in Bugis Street. Yes. History time for Bugis. According to Britannica, Bugis people of Southern Celebes or Sulawesi, Indonesia, their language also called Bugis or Buginese, belongs to the Austronesian language family. The Bugis are the culturally dominant ethnic group of the island and are often linked with the family or closely related Macares. According to culturally.co, another here comes the juicy part. In the 1950s, trans people, or actually people who dressed in the opposite gender, began to rendezvous along Bugis Street and men dressed in scandalously tight clothes. Until in the 1980s, Bugis Street was the craziest place to be in town. By the mid-80s, construction of the Bugis MRT station and urban redevelopment of the area put a stop to the nightly transgender bazaar culture. The history of Bugis was definitely colorful and pretty unexpected given Singapore's reputation of being fairly conservative. Of course, it is best that such traditions stay in the part and remain part of Singapore's unique history.
Tell me where you are. I'm driving down the boulevard.
Wait. I'm here in the Middle East. Let's see how it goes. Is in the Kampong Glam neighborhood of Singapore, a short walk from Bugis MRT. Young people frequent the shop houses along this lane for the independent stores and cafes such as Pizza Fabrica, Good Luck Beer House, and Monica. Haji Lane got its name because of the businesses here. There were many Arab pilgrims brokers who would arrange the Hajj for Muslims in Singapore and from nearby islands such as Java. In 1800s and 1960s, the shop houses of Haji Lane were mostly commonly used as lodges for Hajj pilgrims.
It's the moments where you get lost in the universe that you've created. One of the things that I see you enjoy so much, and no matter how much you try to stay with it, is just music.
Bugis. Pagod na. Masakit ang pa. Pagod ng person. Kaya yan. Kinaya mo yan. Hi guys. Nasa Singapore ako pero malapit na akong umuwi. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Hey. Hey, BGC. Char. Parang ako nasa Malaysia. Louis Vuitton. So we are here in the Orchard Street trying the 1 SGD dollar by the Singaporean seller. Let's try it out. Thank you. Kakalainin ko. Yay. Dirty ice cream here in Singapore. After an hour of rain here in Singapore, we actually visit this historical place in Singapore named as Fort Canning, Three Tunnel. Fort Canning is previously known as Bukit Larangan and Government Hill. The Tree Tunnel connects the Penang Road to Fort Canning Park and ends with a spiral staircase that leads to a large yellow rain tree. The walls of those staircases are covered in greenery, which creates a striking visual contrast with the structural elements of it. Low budget era. I'm here with Ate Sophie, walking around to see the merlion, the half fish and the half lion, and also to see the front view of the Marina Bay Sands. The statue is the head represents the city's original name of Singapura, which means Lion City in Sanskrit. Half lion, half fish, the merlion's fish-like body symbolizes Singapore's origin of fishing village, known as a Temaseka, name which comes from same root as the word Tasik, lake in Malay. This photograph taken around 1890 show a view of Singapore River upstream from Reed Ridge. The building on the right with the circular arcs stood on the corner of the Fisher Street. Once the center of trade, commercial, and economic activities, the Singapore River is a great historical importance in the development of early Singapore. So if you're planning to visit Singapore, you must visit the Merlion, which has a huge impact to the Singapore's economy today. So this is the mini version of Merlion, which is located before you going to the actual Merlion, where there are many tourists and people who are visiting it. So that's a wrap for my SG part 1 vlog. So you can visit my YouTube channel to view my part 2 of my Singapore vlog. Thank you for watching.